Hello and welcome. In this question, exercise 15.1, question number 2, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. First part of second question. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. See here. It is an equally likely outcomes because car will not start only when it is out of order. Second question. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. Answer. It is not an equally likely outcome because this game depends on many factors. Third question. A trial is made to answer a true false question. The answer is right or wrong. It is an equally likely outcome because both have equal chances to happen. Fourth, a baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. Answer, it is an equally likely outcome because both have equal chances to happen. See first question. Driver is starting a car. Car starts or does not start. How you can say it is not equally likely outcome? Because there is not, if car is not well, machinery part it is, right? So all machines are working properly. You are using key to start a car correctly, means maximum possibility that car will start. Minor possibility that car will not start if any fault is there. So if there is any problem in car, only then car will not start. So this is not equally likely outcome. Second, player attempts to shoot a basketball. Means basketball will will be thrown by player in correct order or he will miss the shot. There is not single factor on which we can say that he will either shoot or misses the shot. So this game depends on several factors. That's why we can say it is not an equally likely outcomes. Third question, for right wrong answer. For every question there are two statements. Either that a statement is two possibility, either a statement is true or false. So you can say 50-50 possibility, 50% true, 50% false. So here you can say equally likely outcome it is. Similarly, for baby is born, it is boy or girl. So either baby is boy or girl. So equal possibility. So it is equally likely outcome. Both have equal chance to happen. Understood. Thank you. All the best. Please practice. Please subscribe.